Hello everyone, welcome to my channel A to Z Pathshala. Hope you all are doing very well, and I also hope that you all are liking all my videos. In fact, if you have any suggestions regarding anything for us, please comment down below and we will definitely work on it. Okay? Now, without wasting your time, let's begin with the video. Bonjour tout le monde. Welcome to Learn French with me. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous parler des alphabets français et des accents. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the French alphabets and accents. D'accord? Okay? So now, let's begin with l'alphabet en français, meaning the French alphabets. As I have already discussed with you in detail the French alphabets in my previous video, so here we will just quickly revise it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and finally Z. Now, moving ahead, the 26 letters in French alphabets, they are divided into two components named 20 consonants, the same as we have consonants in English, and 6 vowels, the same as we have vowels in English. So the 20 consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, and finally Z. And now the 6 vowels are A, E, O, U, Y. So now this was all about the French alphabets. Now further, I'll discuss with you the French accents. So starting from the first one is accent aigu. Now in accent aigu, you can see that we have A, and on the top of A, we have a small dash which goes from left to right. This is pronounced as A. And the examples are le bébé, meaning the baby. Next one, l'été, which means the summer. Next, le café, meaning the coffee. Moving further, the next one is accent grave. Now, this accent grave is usually put on A, and U. Now, here you can see that we put a small dash which goes from right to left. Okay? This accent grave is usually pronounced as A. The examples are très, meaning very, crème, which means cream, La mère, meaning the mother. Now, the next one is accent circumflex. This accent circumflex is used for the letters like A, E, O and U. You can see that this accent circumflex usually looks like a hat which is placed upon the French letters. This could be understood very easily as in English, wherever we put S, in French language we simply put hat. I'll explain this with you an example. Like you can see the first one is forêt, which means forest. Now in English we simply say forest, and here you can see that we have not put S, we have simply put a hat on A. So always remember, in spite of putting S in French language, we simply put hat on A, E, O or U. Alright? I'll make this clear for you with some more examples, and they are, we have already discussed forêt. Now the next one is fête, which means festival or party. Okay? So in English where we put S like festival, in French language we have simply put hat on the top of A. Okay? Next one is hôtel, which means hotel. Okay? Next one, hôpital, which means hospital. Now here also you can see that in spite of putting S, we have simply put a hat on O. D'accord? I hope it's clear with you now. Now another one is la cédille. This is usually placed below say and is usually used for sa, su and so. Okay? So the examples are foncé. Next one, foncé means French. Next one, la garçon, which means the boy. So the last one is accent tréma. Now this accent tréma is like a two dot put together, and this is usually used for A, E and U. This accent tréma which is used on U is very rarely seen. Okay? In French language, this accent tréma is personally very interesting to me. You know why? Because in French language, when we have two vowels both pronounced together, we use this accent tréma. Okay? If you haven't got it, what I am trying to say, I'll help you out to understand this with an example. So the first example is mice, which means sweet corn. Now here you can see that we have two vowels together, and they are A and E. So we just put accent tréma. Okay? The next example is Noël, which means Christmas. Now here also you can see that we have two vowels together and they are O and O. So we just put accent trema. Always remember, when we have two vowels and both are pronounced together, we always put accent trema. Alright? So this was all about today. Now this was the end of today's video. I hope you all are enjoying all my videos. If you have any query regarding anything, please do comment me in the comment section. I'll see you all soon. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself. And please do like, comment and share my videos. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel A to Z Pathshala. Okay, thank you. Merci.